皆さん、こんにちは。かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means half. On reading is 半. Kun reading is 半ば. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So, 半 means half, but usually it's combined with other kanjis like 半分, who means minutes or divided. So, 半分 means half. Usually we use this. So, 半分ください means please give me a half. And 2時半 2:30, 3時半 3:30, like this. And with yesterday's kanji, 額 price. So, 半額 means half price. Okay, here what you see this kanji on the street. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。